JRideReviews. I wanted to give y'all a perspective of my new exhaust mod. I'll tell you in the description, or if y'all want to send me a comment on this video. This morning it is like 50 something degrees outside, so I wanted to give y'all a truly cold start. What I was trying to get out of my RDX turbo is to hear a little bit of turbo whistle from the exhaust, and I think I finally figured out the mod that gives me that, and also keeps the interior pretty quiet without any what they call that stuff, resonation through the car. So y'all check it out, and we'll fire this thing up for you, let you hear it. New exhaust mod. I have to tell y'all privately what I did, but yeah, here it goes.